Hello YouTube, this is the follow-up tutorial on how to speed up a website. So now we're working in our WordPress blog. We've started up our server here that we configured with Ubuntu server. If you have a hosted web page, then you can just ignore this, but currently in our Ubuntu server, if we just do ifconfig, we've already signed in and whatnot. You can see that our IP address is there. We have successfully signed into WordPress. So now if you have a hosted blog, this is where you would be. And now you just want to go to plugins, go to add new, and it'll bring you to this page. But we're going to go to upload. And since this is a local server, it's going to have some troubles trying to connect to the internet. So if you were on a hosted server, you could just type in WP Supercache and then just search plugins and it would bring it right up. But for a hosted website, we'll just go to upload for now. And you can get here by Googling WP Supercache. I'll include the link in the description. And then it'll basically bring you to this webpage right here. You're going to want to download version 1. So what we did is we just said save link as, and then we just saved it to our desktop. And then we'll just overwrite that. And then you can see here that it's downloaded just fine. We'll go to install plugins, hit choose file, select WP Supercache, hit open, hit install now, and then type in our FTP password. And if you're on a hosted blog, yet again you won't have to do this. And then it'll unpack, install, and then we should be able to hit activate plugin. Once we do that, it'll bring us back to our plugins page, but it'll say WP Supercache is disabled. Please go to the plugin admin page to enable caching. So if we go to the plugin admin page, we can see here that we want to turn it on. So we can do that by just hitting caching on, hit update status, and that's basically it. But what we'd like to do right now is I use PHP to serve cache files. That seems to be just fine. They do say that mod rewrite is the fastest. You can change your .hta access file to make that work with mod rewrite, but this will be fine just for us. And we can say compress pages, and that should be about it. You can also turn off caching for known users, so if you want to have users that regularly come to your blog, then you can serve them a non-cached version. And then you can just hit update status, and let's actually refresh our page. Let's hit enter. We can see here that it was almost immediate refreshing. So that's basically going to be how fast your website is. I've gotten mine from 2.5 seconds to 800 milliseconds. You can test this by just opening up a new tab and searching website speed test. And then you can just pull up Pingdom Tools and then type in your web address here. So if I were to type in our web address here and hit test now, it would bring up the test, and this is how I was testing my website, and it dramatically decreased the amount of time required to request a page. And there will be certain times when it's caching. Currently it is caching the web page right now, where it's rebuilding all the content and then making that a static HTML page. So if you were to test it at any other time, you should have a nice fast website, and that will improve your search ranking in search engines like Google and Yahoo and Bing. That's basically how you speed up your website. So if you like this tutorial, please rate, comment, or subscribe, and have a great day.